If I could plan my dream Japan trip, it would be Sapporo with my little one. Our very first snow, walking under the city lights, tiny snowflakes falling on our hair, building our first snowman with little giggles in the cold, then ending the day with a steaming bowl of Sapporo ramen. And because us moms know the stay matters, I'd choose Sapporo Hotel by Grand Bell. Clean, cozy, family friendly. It feels like a second home in Japan, the perfect place to recharge after a day of adventure. Traveling as a mom is about more than sightseeing. It's the laughs, the cuddles, and seeing the world through his eyes. These aren't just trips, they're forever memories. So if Japan is on your bucket list, maybe this is your sign. Book your dream stay through Agoda from one mom to another. Let's make those dream trips a reality. And as I say this out loud, I'm claiming it. One day soon, Wancho will be in Sapporo together.